Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how I achieved this makeup look over here. It's like this everyday no makeup sort of a look. It's not no makeup, but it's a lot of less makeup. This is the kind of a look that you can wear to college. I wear it to college. You can wear it to not school. Don't wear it to school. If your teachers are like mine, you cannot wear makeup to school. But you can wear it to work. You can wear it to Zoom meetings. You can wear it at home. You can wear it anytime you want. And this is the kind of look that's going to stay on your face for a very long time. Alright, and I haven't even used primer. I used minimum products, amount of product, because I believe that less is more, and that is something I've learned with time. Another thing is that you can achieve this in under 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, 12 minutes max. I'm not even kidding. And it's going to last for a very long time. I have oily skin, and every technique I use is mainly to keep my makeup in place for longer. I wear this makeup look to college every single day. When I used to go to college, it was 3 months ago before the lockdown. People ask me how my makeup lasts for the whole day, and this video is how. So watch it. Subscribe to my channel if you like such videos, if you want me to be more chatty in other videos, because I'm not chatty in the rest of the video. If I can do that as well. So let's begin. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna conceal my under eye. I avoid putting makeup on my nose for some reason. I don't know why, but I just feel very heavy on my nose. And you did it right from the start. As you guys can see, I do not cover my pimples entirely because I don't like full coverage for an everyday basis. I feel like if I use a full coverage foundation, the texture of the pimple is going to show, and that does not look good. So I'm just gonna leave them and let them breathe. Now, if you have oily skin and your makeup starts to crease after applying it, the trick to avoid that is to set it with setting powder immediately after you use the cream. Ooh, before I do that, I have to use my blush, and that's a cream blush. Can you see my nose is already red, and now I've put blush on my cheeks, and now all three of them look the same color. I do not like my nose. Take some setting powder
and shove it up your butt.
I won't bake. I'm just gonna let this sit for like a little while. Not like baking per se, but I'm gonna dust it right off once I'm done with every area I have to cover. Oh, that's my little brother. Django! So after this setting powder, I feel like all the color from my face just went away. So I'm going to quickly bronze my face. I'm taking this Bahama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics. Add some color back to my skin. Gently gonna do this around my nose so I can get some structure.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
I've done my eyebrows myself, guys. I don't get them done by anyone or anything. I mean, I don't get threading or anything done. I just do them myself at home. Because I don't trust other people with my eyebrows. I just feel like they're gonna ruin it. So yeah.
Does this look very aggressive? No, it's fine. I will not do much to my eyes. I'm just going to take this blending brush. I'm going to take the same bronzer that I used. I'm going to quickly just dust it on my eyelids.
Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Next thing is mascara. And I'm gonna make a very weird face when I apply this, so don't mind.
Next thing is some highlighter. This one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. These two shades here. And I'm gonna apply them on my cheekbone like that. I like highlighter, but I don't like it very much. I don't know why. I don't know. I just not for an everyday look. Can you see? Oh, love it. I don't need highlighter on my nose ever, but since I'm applying it everywhere else, why not?
I'm going to quickly get rid of this off camera and I'll be back.
The only thing that's left, guys, is lipstick. Which is also done. So this was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other makeup tutorials you would like to see. I also sing, so tell me what other song you would like to listen to and I will cover it. Alright, see you later.